Well guys, I'm up, and I've been up for a little while, and I've been watching little Missy Moo here, a Apani, my patternless spotted python, for those who do not know Apani, and she's been wanting out, and I guess this is about, when you have snakes. I've also had my grandson here, if you can hear. There's Jess. He's got full belly. He got fed last night, along with Lily, who also shed. Finally, seemed to take forever for Lily to shed, but I'll just show you. There's her skin up there, or her shed skin. Perfect shed. Just perfect. It was. There you go. Her face. Pretty much. So, she got fed later last night. She sort of rested all day, and she was pretty keen to eat. And this girl is just so determined to come on out. Come on. Come on out, say hello. Please. Seeing as you've been at the door doing your thing. So this is a responsibility that you have with snakes, that oh gosh. Alright. We're going to go through that little crack. Can you go back this way? Go back in that way, and I'll get you out. No, please don't go through the crack. Oh, sorry. Fingers in the way. Alright, let me get her out. Come on, sweetie. I got you. It's good being able to still do little Apani one-handed. I can't do that with Maya anymore. She's of that size that is just longer and needs a little bit more support, whereas Apani can wrap herself around my hand quite easily. So here we go. I'm still in my PJs, so you're not going to see me as such, but it's not me you need to see. It's little Apani. But yeah, responsibility. When you've got socialised snakes, they want to come out, and they want to have time with you, as much as you can give them, actually, and sometimes more than what you can actually give them, big or small. And little Miss Apani certainly loves having her time out with me, as you can see. And you're just going to rest up there. You think that I'm going to be able to hold my arm up like this for you for how long? She's not heavy, but yeah, when you're holding your arm out, and she's going to go down, I'm sure, and have a little bit of a cruise, if she'll let go of my hand here as well, which I'm sure she will once she gets more of herself down there. Well, now you see me duck jammies, but come on out here so we can see you. But yeah, when you've got snakes that are socialised, they're going to demand to come out. They're not going to be just happy to sit in their enclosure and wait for you. Some will. Some will do that. Some won't. And that's Apani, I tell you. She will not wait for me to get her out. She will actually demand to come out. And when you're busy and I'm watching her, and I'm seeing her wanting to come out, and I'm just too busy. Just way too busy. And I'm thinking to myself, sweetie, I just am so looking forward to little Missy getting to the size where I can wrap her around my shoulders and she can get a good grip of me, and she can come on out and just do with me what it is that I am actually doing. But right now she's just fractionally too little to wrap around my shoulders. So yeah, sometimes it's just not convenient to get her out. But I think she's going to be a lily and demand a lot of time out with me somehow, which is fine. I haven't got a problem. It's just they don't do it sometimes at times when we can. It's not convenient all of the time. Is it, miss? Hey? So I don't care. And, she's loving that bigger enclosure too. She's just all over it. She's up and down and around and back up and around and down, and she's all over it. And it's just wonderful to see her exploring and doing all that good stuff that snakes should do. And I'm tempted, so tempted to reorganize again and get a Maya into a bigger one and a Pani into the one that a Maya's in, because I think she'll be all over that as well. So I do have another one down in my bedroom, but it's way too big for a Pani. It would probably do really well for a Maya at this particular point, but I'm on the hunt for, see, slipping, for a bigger enclosure at the moment, which I have to get the bigger one done for Tessa, my Bradley, and get that sorted. So I'll be ordering a heat panel this week, guys. This week she needs an 80 watt if I'm going to double that, which is going to make it, I think it's only about 550 high, so it'll be about 1100 in height, but she's going to need the 800, and then she's going to need hammocks, although there's a couple in there, but she's going to need more bits in there and branches. And Pani's gone. Well, not gone, guys. I can see her here. There she is, down there. But yeah, always busy, guys. Always something happening. Always something to do when you've got snakes. And they are a big responsibility when you decide to have them in your life. And I guess that's what I've been sort of saying. There's always something that you need to be doing, things that need to be done for them, whether that's their water, getting them out, spending time with them, letting them explore. She's on the camera, guys, sorry, but she's decided she loves climbing on the camera. She loves climbing on my head and my glasses too. She just doesn't have a care in the world, this girl, I tell you. Do you? Totally trusting, aren't you, of Mum hanging on to you. So yeah, if you ever decide to get a snake, remember, they are a big responsibility to take care of them. They need to come out and spend time with you just like your dog. loves to have time with you. Snakes do too. So, I'll end it there because she really wants to go exploring. So I'm going to get the jungle gym for her and let her crawl on that for a little while. So in the meantime, guys, till my next video, you take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your snakes. Ciao.